So you probably have noticed that some of the features are not available with the official stable version of Android 17 because some of those features are available with Android 17 QPR beta. Right now, while making this video, we have QPR 1 beta 4 going on. And which are the differences you see? Which are the features missing from the stable Android 17? Let's have a quick look at all these features. First of all, many of you might have noticed that we have some features missing, like we have blur that is not available with Android 17 stable, but this is available with Android 17 beta. So probably this blur will be available with the QPR 1 stable version, so don't actually think about this. It will take some time now. Secondly, you will see the volume panel blur. In Android 17 QPR 1 beta 4, we have the volume panel blur available, which is not available with Android 17 stable. So this is also one of the differences you will see if you update your device to Android 17, especially for the Google Pixel users. Another thing is in the power menu background. You can see the blur behind power menu, which is not available with Android 17 stable version at all. If you see this bouncy animation, whenever you swipe down the notification panel or the quick settings panel, it is different. It is actually different in both of these updates. The one is Android 17 stable version, which is available on the left side, available installed on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. And the other hand, which I have Android 17 QPR 1 beta 4, it has those bouncy animations, which you will see with the Android 17 QPR 1 stable version, which will be there very, very soon. Another thing is the edit icon. If you are able to notice, we have a different kind of edit icon available with the QPR beta, which is not available with Android 17 stable version. This video is all about the differences between Android 17 stable and the missing features which are actually present with Android 17 with that beta version but not available with Android 17 stable version. If you're able to see in the difference in the launcher, you'll see search settings. In search settings in QPR 1, we have different kind of options available. While as in stable version, you have that option available in apps list setting. The search setting option is actually available in apps list settings in QPR, but in the stable version, it is in different way. So this is a minor difference because it doesn't make much sense, but just wanted to let you know. One thing, something quite interesting, and it was not expected actually, but if you're able to notice, for example, if I want to change some settings and I want to, if I want to put a password or pin here, in Android 17 stable, we have a new UI, but in Android 17 QPR beta, it is not the one. Of course, it is in beta, so maybe in the stable version, things might change. It is just right now that because many users just got Android 17 stable version, so that's why I just wanted to let you know. We also have this keyboard switcher button option available there, which is available in beta version but not available with Android 17 stable version. The features I'm showing you right now in Android 17 QPR 1 beta 4 are actually like these are in beta. These will come in the stable stage very, very soon in Android 17 stable version. If you are using the stable version right now, you'll see some differences. We have keyboard vibration intensity. Normally, we have keyboard vibration option, but we also have intensity option there in the beta version. So in the QPR stable, you will see the option to customize the keyboard intensity, the vibration intensity. Another minor difference I just noticed here. In Android 17 stable version, I can see the text says Android 17, while as in QPR beta, we have cinnamon bun. This is so extreme. Actually, it is something different, something surprising, but yes, these are the things. So these were some noticeable changes between Android 17 stable version and QPR 1. So the features actually missing from Android 17 stable are the ones I was showing you in this video. I hope you got it. I hope you like this video. Make sure to share. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.